Today we study exercise 3.3. Before start exercise 3.3, first of all we study or understand a term which is called giant variation. It is also called compound proportional. What is giant variation or compound proportional? Such type of variation in which a quantity varies directly as the product of two or more quantities is called giant variation. It is also called compound variation because one quantity varies directly or inversely as the product of two or more quantities. Now, if y is giantly proportional to x and z, then mathematically it can be written as y proportional x dot z. To remove this proportionality, y is equal to k constant x dot z. Y is equal to xz k. This is called equation number A, where k is the constant of proportionality or constant of variation. For example, in daily life, the examples of the giant variation is area of triangle, which is equal to 1 over 2 BH. B represent base and H represent the height. Area of rectangle is equal to L into W, where L represent length while W represent width. Example number 3. Force is equal to MA, where M represent mass while A represent acceleration. Now moving to exercise. Question number 1. If y varies jointly as x and z and y is equal to 33 when x is equal to 9 and z is equal to 12. Find the value of y when x is equal to 16 and z is equal to 22. Solution. Data. Y is equal to 33, x is equal to 9 and z is equal to 12. Y question mark, find out. X is equal to 16, z is equal to 22. Given that y varies giantly as x and z, that is y proportional to x into z, y is equal to k dot x into z. This is called equation A. A is y is equal to 33, x is equal to 9 and z is equal to 12. So we will find the value of k. For value of k, equation A implies. Now putting the value of y, x and z. The value of y is 33 is equal to k. The value of x is 9 and the value of z is 12. Now multiply 9 with 12, which is equal to 108. Dividing by 108. So k is equal to 33 divided by 108. Here k is equal to 11 by 36. When x is equal to 16, z is equal to 22, then equation A implies for value of y is equal to, putting the value of k, which is 11 by 36, into 16 into 22. After simplification, y is equal to 968 by 9, and this is the value of y. Now question number 2. Given that if varies giantly as g and cube of h and f is equal to 200 when g is equal to 5, h is equal to 4. Find the value of small f when g is equal to 3 and h is equal to 6. Solution. First, data. F is equal to 200, g is equal to 5, h is equal to 4. question mark f, find out. G is equal to 3, h is equal to 6. Given that small f varies giantly as g and cube of h, mathematically it can be written as f proportional g and h cube. To remove the proportionality, f is equal to k dot g h cube. This is called equation A. Is f is equal to 200, g is equal to 5, h is equal to 4. So equation A implies putting the value of small f, g and h. 200 is equal to k, 5, 4 cube. 4 cube is equal to 64. Now, is 5 and 64 is multiplied with k. So shifting these two numbers to the other side, it will be divided. So k is equal to 200 divided by 5 into 64. After simplification, k is equal to 5 by 8. When g is equal to 3, h is equal to 6, then equation A implies for f is equal to 5 by 8, which is the value of k. G is equal to 3 and h is equal to 6 cube. F is equal to 5 by 8, 3, 6 cube means 6 3 times. Therefore, f is equal to 8. After simplification, f is equal to 405. Now question number 5. If small a varies giantly small b cubed and c, if a is equal to 36, when b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 6. Find the value of small a when b is equal to 2, c is equal to 14. Solution. Given data. A is equal to 36, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 6. Again, find out the value of a. A question mark. B is equal to 2 and c is equal to 14. Given that small a varies giantly b cubed and c, mathematically it can be written as small a proportional b cube c. To remove this proportionality, a is equal to k constant b cube c. This is called equation A. Now, a is small a is equal to 36, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 6. So equation A implies for the value of k. 36 is equal to k 4 cube into 6. 36 as it is equal to k 6 4 cube means 4 3 times. So 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. 6 as it is. Now multiplying 64 with 6, which is equal to 384. To find out the value of k, dividing by 384 both sides. 36 divided by 384 is equal to k. This implies k is equal to, after simplification, 3 by 12. If b is equal to 2, c is equal to 14, then equation A implies for small a. Small a is equal to 3 by 32, which is the value of k, dot 2 cube into 14, where 2 is the value of b and 14 is the value of c. 2 cube means 2 multiplied 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So a is equal to, after simplification, this is equal to 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 3 into 7 divided by 2. 3 7s are 21 divided by 2. So a is equal to 21 by 2. This is your answer. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is given. If small z varies giantly as x and y, when z is equal to 12, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. Find the value of constant of variation. Given data. z is equal to 12, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. The value of the constant k we will find out. Given that small z varies giantly as x and y, mathematically it can be written as z proportional to x into y. Z is equal to k dot xy. This is called equation A. Is the given values are z is equal to 12, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. So equation A implies putting the value of x, y, z. So this is equal to 12 as it is. 12 is the value of z is equal to k, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. 2 4s are 8. Dividing by 8 to find out the value of k. 12 divided by 8. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So k is equal to 3 by 12. Now for assignment, student will solve question number 3, question number 4, question number 7 and question number 8 because these 4 questions are same as the above solved questions.